Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix server upgrading. Please try again on TikTok. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, if you want to go live on TikTok and it's not working, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply have to go back. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to make sure that if you are properly connected with internet. So for that you have to turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 30 or 40 seconds and then turn this off. Now guys, if you're using Wi-Fi, turn to mobile data or vice versa and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, just simply have to open App Store or Play Store and there you have to search for the TikTok app. So let me search here guys. So just simply have to search for this, and after that make sure that you are using latest version of the app. And after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open the TikTok app. So let me tell you that if anyone invites you on live and you have opened that live, okay guys, and after some seconds you can see the server upgrading error. Okay guys, so guys, what you need to do is just simply have to go to your profile section and make sure that you have a minimum 1K followers. If you don't have, then it's not possible for you to fix your issue. Okay guys, so what you need to do guys, just simply you have to tap on three lines. Now tap on settings. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to scroll it down. Let me tell you that if you want to fix this issue, then you have to contact with the TikTok team. For that you have to scroll it down, then tap on live section. From here you have to wait some seconds. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to scroll it down. You can also see here live is suspended. Tap on that, because when you are going to go live, maybe that's why it's not working. Tap on no. So from here you need more help. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to wait some seconds. So after that guys, what you need to do is just simply briefly explain, and here you have to put your screenshot. Okay guys, so just simply have to write that, hello TikTok team, I want to go live as a guest on TikTok and it's not working. I'm getting the error server upgrading, so please fix my issue. Okay guys, and after that what you need to do is just simply have to tap on submit. Your request will be submitted and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.